Hi there, got a beautiful sunny day, got your beautiful four-wheel drives, got a trail map. Isn't this the perfect condition to hit some trails? But how do you navigate to your trails? As for these forerunners, you can go to your stock navigation system, hit the lat and long in the coordinates, navigate to your trail. But let me show you how I use my 10-year-old Garmin GPS to make it much more easier to navigate to my trails. So as for the setup, I have my stock navigation right here and I have my old GPS right here. So let me show you how I navigate to my trail. So I know many people use Gaia GPS on a tablet, iPad or a Samsung tablet to find a trail and navigate to that trail. So for me, the problem is having another tablet or something is very bulky, so I don't like to have that option, but I do keep my tablet for the maps to find more detail. Also, you can use a paper map to navigate to your trail. If you're using your stock head unit, as for this Forerunner, you can go to destination, go all the way right to coordinates, enter lat and long. You can go to your destination. So let me show you an easy way that I use to go to my trails. So I use my laptop to go to search for any site that has trail maps, and the sites that have this download GPX option is a very easy way for you to load that particular trail to your GPS unit and navigate there. So here I'm selecting this Switzerland trail. I'm going to download this GPX. So the GPX is downloaded. So I'm going to use this data cable that came with the Garmin GPS. So I'm going to connect the GPS there. So you can see now the GPS is in data transfer mode. Now I'm going to take my laptop, open Windows Explorer, at least this is a Windows machine. So I'm going to open Windows Explorer, click on my GPS. So in my case, this is a Garmin Nuvi 3590. So I have its internal storage and its memory card. So this is an old GPS, so internal storage is almost full. So I'm going to use the memory card to store this GPX file. So I'm going to open the memory card. I'm going to go inside Garmin. Here you can find GPX folder. So I have copied this GPX file to this location. And let's see how I am going to access this GPX file in the Garmin GPS. So I'm going to close this. Oh, one more thing, if you want more maps like topo maps, 4x4 maps, you can go to gpsfiledepot.com and you can select your state. You can have all these free maps. Most of them are free, at least I took the free maps. You can click on this Colorado four-wheel drive trails, or in your state, whatever maps that you like to download, you can download them and use Basecamp to install those maps to your Garmin GPS. You can use the memory card, and you can install the maps right here. So you can have your topo maps, all those other maps to your memory card. But for now, let me show you how I am going to open that GPX file in my Garmin GPS. So right now I have my GPS up there. So all you have to do is click on where to, click on saved, and you can see all the waypoints that is saved in that single GPX file. You have seen I only copied that Switzerland Trail GPX file. So in that single GPX file, you have all these waypoints through the Switzerland Trail. So if you just want to go to the starting of it, you can go to the waypoint number 1, click and navigate, start navigating. If you want multiple waypoints in your trip, you can create a new trip and add all these waypoints. So for me, I'm going to just hit the starting of the trail and hit navigation.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Isn't that easy? Now I can just drive to the starting of this trail, and from there I can add more waypoints to my trip. So hope this video helps you, and hope you like it. Thank you for watching.